When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I just noticed my mascara is like smearing all underneath this eye. It's a great look. I was actually about to call it a day, but I just got a very exciting package in the mail that I've been waiting a very, very long time for, so I wanted to go ahead and unbox it. Today's video is gonna be like a smaller fashion unboxing. We have, in fact, in our hands today, a micro bag and also a belt. So it's kind of like an accessories haul. If you guys recently watched another video I did on this channel, I was unboxing a macro bag and I was talking all about how I love the trend this year of micro bags, and I knew that this one was on its way, but I didn't know that it was gonna be here so soon. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited because like I said in that video, not to like recap the same stuff too much, but I feel like it is very, very rare that I really love a super popular trend that is going on, but I feel that way about micro bags, and this is one I've had my eye on for a very long time. So today we're gonna be doing an unboxing from a brand called Zana Bane. I've actually been lurking this brand on Instagram for years. They do have some really cool, mostly they do like belts, like the harness kind of belts and stuff, which actually is so weird that I love that too, because I feel like that's also like very on trend this year. I've seen like Gucci, well they're gonna have several pieces come out for winter that are like with the harness belt kind of things, and also Alexander McQueen has done a couple runway looks I think this year that have like the harness belt type things as well, which I just love that kind of stuff. I love stuff that is like a lot of hardware, and you guys know I love like spikes and studs and all kinds of stuff like that. So whew, I felt like this was right up my alley. So, oh my God, we are so gonna do the handbag first, but everything came wrapped together in this kind of paper, and this is the belt, but we'll get to that in just a minute because, oh my God, I just saw a little sneaky peeky at the bag. Oh my God, this is so cute. So all summer, this brand has been putting various pieces on sale, like quite a few dollars discounted from what the full price is. So that is why I finally bought this bag, because I have honestly been eyeing this for a while. So it comes in this little kind of mesh bag, and oh my gosh, so I got the Swarovski, is that how you pronounce that? I got the Swarovski studded edition, and so this is what it looks like. It's got a little snap, like a magnetic clasp closure, but oh my gosh, look at how cute it is. So it has all of these little Swarovski studs, which I feel like the camera is honestly like not doing them justice, because I feel like when the sun hits this, it's gonna look so, so sparkly. So as far as like micro bags go, I feel like this one is a little bit larger than like a normal micro bag. Like I think the brand that I was showing you guys in the last video, I think it's pronounced jacquemus or whatever, but those are honestly just kind of silly. I almost feel like maybe you could put something in here like a beeper or a thing of Tic Tacs or something. Obviously like still not a phone, like literally not, but more than any of that, I feel like these are literally just meant to be like little embellished accessories. It goes really good with these Sophie shorts and my old cutoff t-shirt, that's for sure. So yeah, it is just like really cute and lightweight. I swear I even saw, now maybe it was on their website, where they had like a choker necklace like that, and then they like just hung the bag from the necklace, which is a little bit extreme, but I'll see if I can find a photo of this, because I almost got this a couple of years ago, but it was also like just another extreme. I feel like I tried it on in the store and it was just like so uncomfortable, and I was like, for how much it cost, I just didn't see myself using it enough to warrant the price. But a couple of years ago, Prada came out with these, like, they were almost like little books. I think they were like, in fact, like little notebooks that they were putting on, they were using them as like keychains and also like collar necklaces, but it was so heavy. It was so heavy and uncomfortable. So I was like, nope. So the only thing that I was like a little bit skeptical about, honestly, whether I would like it or not, is the fact that it has a chain strap. Like normally that's not my favorite, but I think it goes really cute with the other hardware on the bag. And I think that it does kind of help it lean more into like, more like a kind of like accessory bag than like an actual bag, which maybe that sounds silly to some people. I don't know. I would really love to hear you guys' thoughts on the whole like micro bag trend. Like, do you care? Do you not care? Do you think it's stupid? I'd love to know. At any case, this seems like it is like really, really good quality. And while I like the whole like jacquemus, the little teeny tiny micro bags, I don't really like the cut of them. I know I'm about to just like commit a fashion crime here, but to me, they are like Birkin bags, which I know it's like just probably terrible to say. I just do not like those at all. I don't know why people like them so much. I mean, like, to each their own. I've only seen one Birkin I've ever liked in my life, and I don't know if it belongs to Mary-Kate or Ashley Olsen. I don't know which one is like the more like punk alternative of the twins, but she has a Birkin that it literally looks like she just throws it down a flight of stairs or like splashes a bunch of acrylic paint all over it or something. Like, it literally looks like a bag that has just been like around the block 56 times, and that if they sold one that looked like that, then that's the only Birkin I would want in the world. But I just don't like those like super stiff shaped bags, and I feel like that's what the jacquemus one looks like to me, is like the Birkin. And I don't know. I also would never spend that much money on any single fashion item ever. I just feel like that I don't understand. I don't know. I don't get it. I know people love it. I know they're so collectible. I know they're like one of the most coveted fashion, like high-end fashion things of all time, but I will just forever stay not caring. And that's my 2 cents on that. Okay, on to the belt, which, oh my gosh, I feel like this is gonna be like a fancy Edward Scissorhands belt. I feel like I'm just kind of like buying fashion items right now because A, it's my birthday month, and I feel like if ever I kind of like shop, there's 2 times a year I shop. My birthday month and Halloween month, but I don't feel like I'm going to be doing that much shopping, unfortunately, in the month of October this year. That's another story for another day. So I feel like I don't know. I feel like I'm like getting these fashion items that I really love now that I know will not be in stock once I actually start leaving the house again. Even though I feel kind of stupid for buying stuff now because like really I'm not really getting dressed up and I'm not really going anywhere. I feel like I just want to get this stuff now because I know there will be a day when I leave my house again, so I'm preparing for that day. And this was an item like that, and so here we have it, you guys, and this kind of has everything going on. So it is 4 layers, and it's like all these different textures of items. So here we have like a layer of these brackets and rings, and then this is like a very traditional 90s style looking belt to me. And then this we have, oh, my favorite, a row of like spikes. And then this last row here is like a row of rings that are all, I don't know, how would we say, like braided together, clamped together. And then the belt does seem to be very adjustable. So we have this row of snaps, and that's actually how you like put it on and off, or put it on and take it off. But I didn't even know that this element of this belt was here as well. I guess it just like was like a mental toilet flush of my brain or something. I'm sure I saw this when I bought it, but then thought right out of my head. It's got a corseted area to it as well, and then there are the closure snaps. Now I know this is gonna be like so silly to put this on with this shirt. Yeah, okay, we need a little adjusting, if I'm gonna be honest. I don't remember what size I got. I think I got a small. So let's loosen up. Oh my gosh, it's like a little bit stretchy too. I didn't know that, but it's like laced really tight. I don't know. I do feel like I'm gonna start to do like more outfit of the days and stuff in like October and everything. And I know I hinted to it the other day that I wanted to start doing these like fashion challenges. So I don't know. I feel like I've got a lot of like ideas in my mind for things that I want to do, but I don't know. I know everybody this year just has to like feel that way. It's like kind of everything you thought you'd be doing and everything you had planned is just like not really happening. So we're just all preparing for more fun things ahead, hopefully. I had high hopes for this year, you guys. I thought it was gonna be like a really awesome, I was like, whoa, is it new millennium or not a new millennium, that would be like something else entirely. New century? Was that what we were supposed to have? I don't know, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe now I loosened it up a little bit too much. All right, you guys, there we go. I feel like this is absolutely absurd to model this with this right now. Now I think I definitely have it like a little too loose. So I really do like the laced aspect though, because it really gives you a lot more flexibility of how you can wear this and how you can style it. Because, you know, if you're like wearing it over something that's thinner, it would need to be a different size versus like if you're layering it over, you know, I don't know, maybe like a dress and a vest or some kind of like ensemble, then you would need for it to be a little bit looser. So it is really, really good. Oh, and then like the corset thing unsnaps completely if you don't need that jumper space. Also, I'd have to be like really tiny to fit in that without the jumper thing. But hey, look, you've got a lot of options, you know? I also feel like you could like hang little fun doodaddies or something off of these kind of rings, because I think it is in this filming room somewhere, but I bought one of these giant safety pin keychains that I feel like would look so cool as like a little thing hanging off of there. And I think they also sell like additional kind of like keychain accessories that you could hang off of there. I don't know. The options are endless. But yeah, I really love both of these pieces. And both of these are finally the first pieces I've ever bought from this brand. And I'd have to say, just judging off of these two, they really both feel like very high quality pieces that I think I'm gonna be able to get years and years and years of wear out of. I really love that. And I know I said that in the last video too, but I've just really leaned more into brands like this that make like really durable, like really good items that I'm gonna be able to just keep forever and ever and ever. So anyway, you guys, y'all have to let me know all of your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Which one did you like better? Did you like the macro bag, which is the giant bag, or do you like the micro bag better? Do you think either of them are practical? And I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinions on the belt as well. But thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. And if you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye!